Hello guys, welcome to my channel AK Mechanical Lectures. Today I have brought a new updates regarding PhD admission in VIT Vellore. This VIT has different branches where they are offering PhD, like in VIT Vellore, Chennai, Andhra Pradesh, then Bhopal. Uh, all colleges are offering different category of PhD admission, like Vellore and Andhra Pradesh campus. Only internal full-time category available in BIT Chennai and Vellore, both internal full-time and external part-time category available. It is shown the vacancy matrix, means which department has vacancy. Here it is marked in Roman 1 2 1 2 1 1. What it means? Here it is written. 1 means PhD, second means integrated PhD engineering discipline only. Tick mark means degree offered, star mark degree not offered. So here you can see School of Advanced Studies has vacancies in VIT Vellore, then Chennai, then Andhra Pradesh, Bhopal. Same way Bioscience and Technology. VIT Vellore has vacancy, both category vacancy, but in Chennai and Andhra Pradesh and Bhopal no vacancy. School of Civil has vacancy in both category in Vellore and Chennai, but in Andhra Pradesh and Bhopal no. In Chemical only VIT Vellore has vacancy, but others has not. First category Computing Science and Engineering, all campuses have vacancy. Electrical Engineering, all campuses have vacancies. Electronics Engineering, same, all campuses has vacancy. Information Science and Technology, only VIT Vellore and VIT Vellore, VIT Andhra Pradesh and Bhopal have vacancy, but Chennai has no vacancy. Mechanical, same, all campuses have vacancies. Social Science and Languages, VIT Vellore had first category vacancy. Then VIT Chennai first category, and VIT Andhra Pradesh and Bhopal both have vacancy for first category. Likewise, you can check out for law school, fashion technology also. Minimum qualification required for admission for engineering 10 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2, means after 10th you must have 12th, then BTech, after that MTech in engineering for PhD in engineering. But for non-engineering you must have 10 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2. 3 means BSc, which has 3 years. Then for 10 plus 2 plus 5 for integrated PhD program, 5-year integrated PhD program, integrated MSc program in engineering, and integrated MSc Biotech in non-engineering. For engineering, for PhD in engineering, you must have 60% marks of all semester or years or semester wherever marks are awarded, or in 6.5 CGPA. 6.5 CGPA on 10-point scale in cases where later grades are awarded, or equivalent qualification like MSc Engineering, MS by Research, MTech by Research. For integrated PhD in engineering or technology, for all research, it is mandatory that candidates should have studied in regular, full-time and formal education in their previous degree program. Since you all degree have in regular category, MSc Computer Science, IT, MCA degree holder are not eligible to apply for PhD programs. Means if you have MSc, MCA or MSc in IT or MSc Computer Science, then you cannot apply for this PhD program. For integrated PhD, if you have bachelor student with outstanding academic record in BTech or B with 80% marks or 8.5 CGPA, then you can apply. PhD in Science, you must have master degrees with 60% marks. For languages, 60% marks or 6.5 CGPA. Management, same 60% marks or 6.5 CGPA. Law also have same criteria, and fashion technology also have same category criteria. Category and eligibility: internal full-time category, a candidate who wishes to work for PhD or integrated PhD degree on full-time, including project staff working in a sponsored project being carried out at VIT, should apply in prescribed form on or before the specified date. External part-time applicable only for Chennai and Bhopal campuses. Teachers working in other colleges in a permanent position and candidate sponsored by R&D organization of following category are eligible to apply to work on a part-time basis for PhD degree. Laboratories run by CSIR or Atomic Energy, Department of Space, etc. Then you can apply. Or public sector undertaking with R&D units, where you can carry out your research work, or private industries recognized by Department of Scientific and Industrial Research, Government of India, as engaged in R&D work or contributing to R&D efforts. A copy of certificate issued by Department of DSIR in this regard will be required to produce in such cases. Selection procedure. Foreign national or NRI candidate can only register as full-time scholar through a separate link. The link they have given. Minimum period of study will be 30 months for full-time research scholar and 36 months for part-time research scholar from date of registration. Integrated must have 4 years. Selection procedure for national candidate: due to COVID-19, no entrance exam for PhD selection is based on PG marks. Student of research proposal as per given template and interview. Please upload all PG mark sheet. Means they will only select based on interview and or academic qualification. Same for integrated PhD also. These all are the fees. You can take the screenshot. They will also provide fellowship. All internal full-time scholar admitted into PhD program will get a fellowship of 20,000 per month for 3 years. All internal full-time scholar admitted into integrated will get a fellowship of 12,000 per month for first 2 years and 20,000 per month for next 2 years. All internal full-time scholar who have valid get a score of score percentile of 80 and above will get a fellowship of 25,000 per month. Apart from these, scholars are encouraged to apply for JRF, CSIR or EGC Inspire Fellowship or Rajiv Gandhi scholarships. Other information: May 2021 course completed students are also eligible. Means if you are have completed your degree or have given exams in May 2000, then you can also apply. Application fee and tuition fee will not be refunded under any circumstances. Hostel accommodation is available for limited candidates. Others should be ready to make their own arrangement for their stay at Vellore, Chennai, Andhra Pradesh or Bhopal during research program. All suits and action arising out of or relating to VIT shall be instituted within jurisdiction of courts at Vellore. These all are the email IDs given. You can check out. Last date is 30 September. Interview between 17 November to 20 November. Result they will publish on 1st December. Last date for payment of tuition fee at their respective campuses 10th December 2021. So that's all. It's a good, very good private universities. You can apply here. You will, if you are applying for a full-time category for internal category, then you can get fellowship also 20,000 per month. So share it with your friends also who doesn't have GATE, then they must apply, because you will get a brief facility here. If you are first time, if you are visiting my channel first time, so subscribe the channel for all important updates. Thank you. Have a nice day.